Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to emergency live stream, panic mode live stream, something like that. I hope you enjoyed live stream. I hope you stick around. And if you're watching this after actually the live stream, I still hope you watch the rest of the video because you know it's nice. Thanks. How's everybody doing? I see people are already getting into the chat. I think everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know. The full moon, man. Is the full moon up already? Is it up like 7 days before the time? The Butin is in. First green member. Terrobram is in. First green member. Second green member. TA fans crew. TA fans club crew. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Am I poor now? I don't know. Are you? How much leverage did you do? Depends on the leverage. It depends on the leverage. I have full panic mode. Immortal is full panic mode. Jumped off the resistor 5 to hopefully BTs don't break it. Couldn't wait, I was wondering where is the late adopter. Yeah, if you were wondering where I was in my garden. I was, you know, doing the flowers. I was relaxing, you know. I hope you can lighten the mood for us, TA fans club. Well, the music is certainly not gonna light the mood up. You know, if you wanna relax a little bit. If you wanna relax a little bit, you know. Just, you know, just to lighten the mood, I hope you can lighten the mood for us. The fans club. One more shakeout. What's the name of the guy without no name? He actually doesn't have any name.
So sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology.
Do I still bro? I don't know, man. Intro again, please, man. There was no intro, man. There was no intro. Ralph is in the house, and fear struck again. Just listen to the song, man. The mood is gonna come, you know. This is the good times, guys. This is good times. Things go down. This is good times. No, I'm not just gonna joke. You know, we're gonna be a little bit more realistic in this live stream. We're gonna talk about, you know, sports resistances, what's gonna happen, how are we looking at it, you know. But you know, once the Dodge Daddy hits the you know, it kind of gets into your soul, and you're kind of optimistic once away, you know. Don't worry, still bullish. Ralph is still bullish. Yeah, nice. Going down to 20k, maybe, but you know what happens on 20k? It goes up. You know, guys, when people are saying like, dude, it's going down to 20k, it's going down to 30k, you have to say, nice, very good, let's get down to 20k, let's get down to 30k, let's get down to 50k, and right now, let's go, because that means that's the bottom, because they're not saying it's going to go to zero, they're saying it's going to go to 20,000, 50,000, 30,000, right? So when we get to those levels, we're going up. We can't hear you. Well, too bad, maybe my mic is off, I don't know. Can you say, I think this is the bottom again, I'm putting another short. Nihal, you're making pretty good money, alright? Let's get to 1 USD. We pumping. If you're long, you are effed. Yes, we can. I'm very happy waiting for max low price. I can hear you. Bye now. No, we hear you. Sounds okay. Any 20 cares in the chat. Music too loud. Yeah, he just one song, man. He just one song, you know. No problem. Yeah, see, one song and then we switch to the, you know, chill out. Let's see what people in my Bitcoin, I'm really fun in the code, bullish news, blah, blah. So guys, did Elon tweet anything? Where is my be right back? I'm not actually be right back, I'm just doing stuff over here. Yeah, you know. I'm not technically be right back or anything like that. Like, yeah, there we go, we're back. But I mean to shield this. So what I want to actually find out is if Elon Musk said anything. Bored Elon Musk, there's Elon Musk, the second. Did he tweet anything? Because he usually tweets anything, haha. It's tweeted somebody. Real pick of 2 starships. We head out to club. Nothing. Doesn't sound chance against the horse. True. Something is true. Yeah, it doesn't matter. No, it didn't tweet anything. So it's a normal dump. It's a normal dump. That's what I want to know. Play some house music. Elon is on the airplane mode. Why Theta Fuel is not getting down as per Bitcoin? Is Theta Fuel going up? Let's see. Theta Fuel is up 2.6%. Theta Fuel, I don't know, man. Theta Fuel is actually not following the Bitcoin at all. I was talking in my Patreon, I was telling people that Theta Fuel is not correlated with Bitcoin. I don't know why. Same goes for Hex. Hex is not correlated with Bitcoin. So there you go. Golden nuggets. But Bitcoin right now down. So you want to figure out what's gonna happen here. So yesterday we had, I'm sorry about a lot of lines, you know, but you know, reasons. Now, people meaning here in yesterday's live stream, you know, we have been watching this wick down to the line. We're saying that this is actually quite bullish. Now, of course, this isn't bullish, but we're saying if, you know, if we can bounce off of the green line up here, you know, that's the best case scenario, right? Unfortunately, we right now broke the green line, and the green now is now being the red line. Gonna act as a resistance, because I don't know how probable is that we might actually get up like 5% up today. Like, it still can happen, like 4 hours, 24, if we pull back all the way, like you can see already the pullback is starting. As soon as I start streaming, the pullback comes. If you can pull back all the way up here right now and leave a big giant wick down here over here, that's gonna be the biggest, the best, the most bullish thing you have ever seen in your entire life. Now, but that's assuming, you know, Bitcoin actually pumps back to 37.4. All right, so we're gonna try to figure out if something down here is happening. The target that we don't want to break, is down here at this level down here. You know, we don't want to break that. That's at some kind of 35.5, right? We don't want to close below here, because then you create lower low, right? That's a bad thing. And yesterday we also said, like, the best case scenario is bouncing right over here. But if you start breaking on the downside, if you start breaking on the downside below the 20 moving average, that's 20 moving average on the daily over here, below 20 moving average, that's a full panic mode down here, right? And we are in full panic mode. PL, welcome to the TA Fans Club. Now you have a green name and you have access to all the emojis, and soon there will come at least couple more emojis. Two very important ones: the full moon and the new moon. So, you know, welcome to the club. I became a long-term investor today. Nihal joined the club. Welcome to the TA Fans Club. The shorter the guy gets going against my calls, welcome, man. Enjoying the green name and the emojis, because that's the perks. No, man, it's bad times. You didn't trade. Remember the two lines, 30k and 41k. You need to hit either line and act. 30k and 41k. What's up to that, man? What's up to that, man? You know, we gotta be looking at one hourly time frame, stuff like that. Theo Bram says dump. Some tips on trading trend lines. Well, you know, when you're hitting some trend line, you know, it's a resistance on the top. You know, you're waiting to break it. You know, trading in you know, trend lines. When you break a trend line, you know, you go into that direction. It's moving sideways. Zoom out, dude. Yeah. technically, yeah, he's right. It's moving sideways. Zoom out. So nothing is actually happening, right? But right now, this actually thing over here might actually continue going down, right? So it was some kind of pull, you know, bull trap, pulled us upwards, and right now going down. That might. By the time the bear market comes, I'll be dead inside. By the time bear market comes, it will be bull market, and you won't know, because, you know, everybody was thinking, like, over here, no, it's not a bear market, no, we're gonna go up, now it's bear market, it's a bear market, no, this is still bear market, it's a bear market. You know, over here people are saying this is a bear market, and over here people are saying no, it's still bull market, you know. So it's other way around. So we gotta zoom in, guys. We gotta zoom in and see what's happening on the small time frames, because the daily not helping. We are just breaking the 10 and 20 moving average over here. Like, it's terrible. Like, there is no other way to say it than terrible. Like, you can see here we are getting down to this support down here. But even if it holds, like, it's such a small thing. Like, evening, by the way. What's up? Not my portfolio. Ching, boom. But I don't know how to do it. Yeah, dump. That's why I need to be aware of position of whales on the market. Yeah. So basically, even if we close above this level up here, we're still bearish because we are below the moving averages, you know. But you know, you take what you get. You take what you get. Like last point is 33,004. If you get below that, that's gonna be terrible. So we're gonna zoom in onto this candle over here and see what's happening. So let's start with 4-hourly time frame and see what's up. Let's see our indicators, some indicators here. Well, on the 4-hourly hitting in 30, so you know, might be reaching. What's on the daily? Daily is only sitting at 45. Not the best, not the best. Wow, this might actually have been the top, guys. This might actually have been the top. This might actually be the rejection. You know how this thing goes when, you know, sometimes we don't get to hit the 10 moving average. Sometimes we don't get to hit the 10 moving average. You can see here when the price goes up and goes back down to the 10 moving average, you can see we don't hit actually the 10 moving average. We get close but don't actually hit the 10 moving average. And right now that might actually be the case over here. We went up to the like we were supposed to go up to the 45,000, but we only hit something 41,000 up here, right? We never got to the ending of the moving average we never got to the 10 moving average. We just got a little bit up and then continue going down. That would be the worst case scenario, and I would if this actually continues going down, you know, I'm gonna say this is a bear market, guys. Why hodl? Sell and buy cheaper. Time to sell and buy cheaper. Ron the adopter, $100, super bullish. It's good that somebody is super bullish, man. Thanks, man. Thanks for bucks. I'm gonna need them now that, you know, we are going down. The markets are crashing. The Dow Jones is dying. The gold is getting evaporated. You know, they build a new machine that's gonna make everything into gold, and gold's gonna lose the value. So will silver. You know, all the kind of FUDs that you can push out right now, you know, just to get price down to 20,000 so we can start rising up. Can you please go through the stocks to flow model, please? I don't understand stock to flow model. I understand that we are supposed to be higher than we are not right now, that we should, you know, follow the stock to flow model, but sometimes models don't always play out, you know. Sometimes they don't always play out. Maybe we'll only hit 60,000, go back down to 10,000, have a next like 7 years of bear market, and then instead of going this year to 250,000, in 7 years we'll go up to like something like 1 million, you know. Ron, $100, go! Ron is excited. How can you be excited? Did you do some kind of short or some kind of long on the bottom right now? That's what I'm wondering. That's what I'm wondering. So let's look at this on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see on the 4-hourly time frame we are hitting some kind of lows on the 4-hourly time frame. We are hitting definitely some kind of lows, but we are not that extended. We are starting to get extended, but not overly extended. Let's see down here this line. How is this actually looking? Let me see this one over here. We are getting a little bit extended, you know, a little bit extended, so we might actually have some kind of pullback. Let's change this to low. Yeah, technically now this was a big one, so I don't think we're getting this one, but these over here, you know, we might get these kind of pullbacks. But right now we are technically you know, it's a big dump, guys. It's a big dump. We are extended on the downside. We are hitting some kind of 30 levels, so you know, some kind of relief pump to the upside might actually come. We'll see that. I'm waiting for this since April. Just a message all to come to YouTube to either to learn or return. Don't buy or sell just by looking at YouTubers. Study by yourself, and this tip taught us that. So learn. There you go, man. Listen to Nihal, guys. Listen to Nihal. Listen to Nihal to not listen to me. The boom. Ralph says, "Ron the whale. Do keep some money for yourself as well, mate." Nice checkout for people who think to buy lower. Maybe. But right now, what's up? Michael Burry is the one who tweeted. Michael Burry tweeted, "What do you think about the Wincoin, please?" Not much. Everything down right now. Everything down. Debuting. Spence. TLI. No, bro. The Bulls are already had their chance to blast up us past 41, but failed big time. Yeah, I am thinking they failed. I'm thinking bulls failed, guys. I'm thinking bulls failed. They had that chance. We didn't even come up to the 200 moving average. The cross is actually coming right now. So we're gonna see if this is some kind of last dump before. You know, the only bullish thing that can save us right now, and I think that might actually do that, is if we get higher low. So low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Like, you know, that's the only thing I can see right now. So what kind of target should this close at, right, for us to be somewhat... It's hard to say, it's hard to say. This broke down here on the daily, the trend. Johan Bosch, 20 bucks. At the moment it's better to return to invest in Super Chat. Well said, man, well said. CKB holding semi okay. Everything, something is holding, something is not holding. Massive head and shoulders forming on daily candles. Neglect massive head and shoulders on daily candles. Yeah, but it was to the upside, or isn't it the downside? I don't see it. I don't see it. Head and shoulders pattern, like you know, and it's not that, you know, massive head and shoulders pattern. It must be like inverted head and shoulders pattern. Maybe that's what you're talking about. Inverted head and shoulders pattern. Now, for inverted head and shoulders pattern, you know, then you know, we should not go below this level down here. Now, if you can do like something like this over here, yeah, that's a nice inverted head and shoulders pattern. I'm down with that theory. TL alive, bam. I mean, zoom out. Oh, you mean the what do you mean? Oh, you mean the I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I'm down with the lingo. I'm down with the lingo. I'm down with the kids nowadays. You know, the big one, the big kahuna. You know, the mother of all head and shoulders pattern is gonna bring us down to zero, right? Then we Lambo. Incoming pump in 3 minutes. I hope it's 3 minutes, man. I hope it's 3 minutes. I want a big head and shoulders look at daily. I think that's what people are talking about, right? Przemek Kulevic, $3. Game over. I don't know. Is it game over? Is it game over? Till I stayed awake entire night and finally exited T-Fuel with 100 in profit. I'm so grateful to God. Good for you, Rita. Good for you. Good for you. Losing money by the minute. But isn't T-Fuel in green today? People are crazy. Yeah, people are always crazy. That's what's so fun about it. My calculation, it should go down further, 80% chance. Don't say I didn't do anything for you guys. Incoming drop further. Now, improved 2021 is coming with all kind of predictions all the time on this channel and on the comments and everywhere. And I haven't been following, but he says he warned us, so we're gonna listen to his warning. And 80% chance for more downturn. You know, maybe he's some kind of pro tech analysis. I don't know. You know, maybe he got some kind of information. I don't know. But you know, when people say something, you know, I FOMO'd in T-Fuel at 0.61. Well, where is T-Fuel? 0.61. 0.61. Oh, I'm glad you exited. I'm glad you managed to exit 0.61 on the top. And but what if it happens? Because T-Fuel isn't correlated with Bitcoin, man. What if T-Fuel continues going up? Have you thought about that, man? Have you thought about that? Bull or bear market right now? Hard to say. There are still signs that this is a bull market, guys. There are still signs this is a bull market. Nothing is actually confirmed. Like, I know it's not actually that nice that we are actually going back down below the moving averages right over here. But we do have high and higher high, guys. We do have that. And we do have low and higher low. And right now, not confirmed higher low. But it's only if we break this down here that we must say, we got some kind of higher low again. But it's still like it's going to be lower low. If you look at the volume and know how much... and know how to use math, it don't take too much to dump the market. yeah, I mean, volume in you know, anything over here is not actually that significant, especially when you look at the wash trade, the volume and stuff like that. What is the SPO indicator? It's a TA fans club members only or Patreon members only indicator, but I do explain from time to time. There is some live stream at one point where I did explain the SPO, but you know, if you want to go, you can go back the last 20-30 live streams, something like this, and try to figure it out. It just takes too much time. SPO just measures the extension, you know, extension from moving averages, basically. Pump has started. Did it start? Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at a 5-minute pump, guys. Nice. Let's see what we have. Okay, now let's talk more analyzing. Let's see here. Went all the way down to 19, started going up. There are no divergences on the 5-minute chart right off us now. Everything seems to play out as actually should. Was pretty oversold, but it's 5-minute chart, like, you know, it gets to do that. Still no divergence or anything. Everything is playing as it should, just being pushed down. Right now we might actually get some kind of pump up to the 10 moving average, something like that. Still no divergence, still nothing bottomy or in this right now. 4 hourly still, yeah, we're hitting some kind of low levels, but you know, and right now we're hitting very low levels. Now if we stay up on this part over here, we are actually gonna be bullish, guys. We are actually gonna be bullish if we can stay up at this part over here, because the price is actually going up over here. Price is actually going up, and the RSI is going high down. It's going down, guys. It's going down. So this is actually hidden bullish divergence, right? Ron, $100. Did you watch Coinskis today video with a Fibonacci? It will be anomaly if now will be a bear market. Psychologically of humans work in a normal trend, not on anomalies. Maybe I did not watch his video today. I did not watch his video yesterday. I don't watch his videos all that often. I don't watch a lot of people all that often, especially now in the, you know, bear, in the downtrend. But maybe you should watch him on live. Nah, we won't do that. Psychology of the humans work in a normal trend, not on anomalies. Yeah, anomaly is probably because something is happening. Now here is the thing, guys. Here is a very nice thing that you can take to the bank. There is a hidden bearish divergence over here. So if we can stay above 34.8, if we can stay above this level up here, we are getting our hidden bearish divergence, and this might actually turn around. $50, flying to the moon. Ron knows what's up. Ron knows what's up. I think I'm bullish, guys. I think I'm bullish. I think we should get some kind of pump to the upside right now. Don't you guys think? I think we should get some kind of pump to the upside. I think we should get some kind of pump to the upside over here, because there is a hidden bearish, hidden bullish divergence. There is a hidden, and it's gonna be really hard to correct that. Now we have to go pretty high up. That's 26 minutes left on the 4-hourly time frame. Now if this continues going down over here below this level, if this continues going down below this level, there is no hidden bullish divergence. It's just normal stuff. Nothing's happening. But if you can get in some kind of nice green candles over here, if you can get some kind of nice green candles over here, this is hidden bullish divergence. This hidden bullish divergence, that means move to the upside. Move to the upside. I'm super bullish. I lost 90% of my portfolio, but still couldn't stop myself buying this membership. It's worth it. Thanks man, I appreciate the optimism. You know, the memes and the emojis are worth it, and the green name is worth it. You know, we see massive buying power at 34K. If we dip, I'm even more bullish. You think maybe you should be watching this on 5-minute chart. Maybe you should be watching it, like, it's nice right now. I'm gonna call the bottom down here, guys. I'm gonna call the bottom down here. Let's see on the daily. How's this looking on the daily? $42. Weekly. Oh, weekly is gonna look terrible if it continues, guys. Weekly is gonna look terrible. Look at 2017, guys. Look at 2017. Let me zoom in, real nice. Look at 2017, guys. See this one light red histogram over here? This one light red histogram, that's this pump over here. Like we went up, right? Got this, you know, this one single light green histogram where the lines start converging towards each other, and then nope, rejection, back down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 months again before we got some kind of relief up here. But this one over here, one single histogram line where we are starting converging with each other. This one single histogram line where we are starting to converging towards each other. So you're again calling bottom now. Nihal, Nihal, are you gonna short? We'll see. We are extended on the 4 hourly. We are hitting some kind of low down here. Can we actually go down? There are still 23 minutes left. 23 minutes left, and we are closing above the level down here. Let's see on the daily how this looks. Nah. It just seems a little bit, you know, this is already over. I mean, we broke this thing a while ago, but you know, just Ron, $100. Put a CoinSkill video for everybody to see it and tell me what you think. I personally don't find it like a normally. CoinSkill video, like, sure man. We'll check out the CoinSkill video, guys, for everybody. We're gonna spread the love. Like there are, this is where I see there are 3 big levels of support right here, but you know, we are right now breaking this one over here. That's fine. This one over here doesn't seem to be like a very important level. It's just rushed through that. So there are 1, 2, 3 levels up here, but there is nothing on the moving averages. Moving averages all went down here. Monthly. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Monthly 10 moving average. Monthly 10 moving average, guys. Monthly 10 moving average. We are still above 10 moving average on the monthly chart, guys. Do you have the headache? That's as bad. Delta variant is spreading fast. They're gonna get the vaccine. It's 1 AM here in India, sleeping. This consolidation has taught me patience. My 10% will be worth 100,000 with this lesson. Nihal, why are you down 90%? Is it leverage? Is it bad altcoins? What's up? Meme coins? Why are you down 90%? Tell us, man. We wanna know. Look at this, guys. We are above 10 moving average. How can you bearish when you're above 10 moving average? It's only when we break below 10 moving average on the day, on the monthly, that we are actually, you know, bear market. Bitcoin cash analysis, please. No. Hello, guys. Is it bearish or bullish? Well, it cannot be bullish when you are breaking below 10 and 20 moving average. Bear market starts, you think? Maybe, but we are still above 10 moving average. Now if we close on this one, if we close below the 10 moving average on the monthly, then it's gonna be really hard to argue for anything else. What about the variance on the monthly from the 2018 top to now? 2018 top to now, the variance on the monthly. Oh, it doesn't matter, because there is a previous. You're not, yeah, you're looking like between these 2 tops up here, but you should be looking something, maybe something like this over here, because these 2 tops are actually corresponding, and these 2 tops are corresponding with each other as well. But you're just jumping over a pivot point over here, you know. I'm so excited. Baya! Ron, you are actually a lot very excited. I can see that. So I'm thinking that must be the CoinSkid video. So guys, we're gonna watch CoinSkid video. Either you like it or not. We're gonna go to YouTube CoinSkid. We're gonna go to YouTube to CoinSkid, and I hope he doesn't, you know, copyright strike me with something over here. Is this the video? Bitcoin that close. That's 9 hours ago.
Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinSkid.
It's a 22-minute video. Ron, it's a 22-minute. I'm not watching 22 minutes. Just tell me what part is it. This is boring. Probably somewhere here.
This is the thing. You can see using this particular scale right here. This is where, you know, it's not going to go up overnight. It's not going to go up like a rocket ship into space where you've got to zoom out. This thing that Bitcoin is, it's an amazing thing, okay? And
someone else out here too.
You realise what Bitcoin is. It's absolutely.
Skip to last part. What's the last part?
In my opinion, the digitalization of money, basically. You know, we live in a digital age. There's no, I don't need to go down that rabbit hole with you. You're fully aware. So this is why you can't ignore Bitcoin and what it is. It's huge, and it's not going anywhere. And obviously, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, but it becomes, until it becomes fully liquid, and there's massive amount of money involved in Bitcoin. You know, it's taken over the market cap of gold, so to speak, and it's not.
So somebody has to give me, yeah, watch this video.
Then until that time,
watching someone.
Volatile, unfortunately, and with that
the inception, man. Inception. How low can it go in this video?
This is why you should, if in doubt, always zoom out, and you can see where Bitcoin's going. Okay, and this is why we have our projection board.
Oh yeah, he's talking about pullbacks.
Basically, went up.
Pullbacks to the 618, right? Because I've seen other people talking about it.
On the 1618, rolled back to support, which was 1272 before continuation. Okay, do you remember that? Exactly what it did there. Hit its head, roll back, see you later. Now this is a 2014 to 2017 bull run just there for Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is drop the fibs on again to the market cycle bottom. Just
you won't like it. Check about 540. 540. Okay, it's 540. We are already at 540.
Move this over, and you can see. Let's do that like that. So then again, you can see that Bitcoin went up, hit its head, and come back to the 1272 support before.
Wait, how did he do that?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So come back.
Extensions, yeah.
See you later, alligator. Continuation. That's where it got up to the 2.72 just there. Do you see that? Which is something that we're.
So they're doing extensions though.
So you can see that
see
time was made, but it hit its head. Come back to support. Hold the 1272. Hold the 1272. Hold the 1272. Do you see that? And right now, and even on the first.
So repeatable metrics, right?
Hold the 1272. Do you see that? So right now, this is this bull run that you find yourself in for Bitcoin. Okay, so. What we do, we go from the bottom, market cycle bottom.
Tila, the moon phases. Yeah, we'll come to the moon phases, man. We'll come to the moon phases.
Now, your Fibonacci, okay, I did make a tutorial video for everybody. If you want to set your fibs up the same as mine, there is a tutorial video. I'm going to drop it in every single video now, okay, the link to every single video. Now, this is why I'm still anticipating more upside for Bitcoin, because what we're doing right now, and what I've told you, we're bouncing off a really key level of support, just like we have in multiple bull markets before, okay? The 1272. Look, went up, bounced, support off the 1272. See you later. Went up, bounced off the 1272. See you later. That was a two-part bull run. This is what we're anticipating here for Bitcoin right now. Okay. So as you can see in this particular bull run there, went up, hit ahead on the 1414. Come back for support off of 1272. Got it. See you later, alligator. Now just here, we've come up with a head on the 1618. We've come back to the 1272. Originally, okay, I was saying that. Target the 1414 when we was up here and lower extended. I says do target the 1414 as a bounce, and you can see we've come down, bounced off it, and then continued down. But we've found support.
I'm not watching the video
so far,
you know, to figure it out. But I'm interested in like, you know, I cannot always figure out everything by myself. And somebody might have some very good.
See that? So yeah, this is why I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, and the fact is it's not painting any bear market signals to me at the moment. Now there is this death cross that everyone's talking about, so I'm going to go through that with you in a moment. But
1350, what's happening at 1350?
The 2.272 is where I expect Bitcoin to rally to.
Yeah, JJ, we'll look at that.
Up to 200k. Do you see that? Because this is exactly what it did here.
So basically, it's just extensions, right? Okay, we can analyze that a little bit. See it over here, right? Nice. Okay, so this is the week. Let's look at on weekly chart because you know we've been looking at weekly. So Fibonacci's, but Yeah, it doesn't hit mine. So what am I doing wrong, guys? From top to the bottom, 162. Oh, it's got 120 something, right? I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong, guys. You know, Fibonacci is not my thing. Let's start over here.
In the 2013.
This is the weekly BTC, yeah. Let me just open this up real quick. I don't know how much you can see over here, but it's
Bull run just there.
1272, 1.2. How can this be? It's not on my chart. 10. Am I doing something wrong, guys? 14. It's just the pullback. Oh, the pullback. Wait. That's the pullback. I'm doing the same thing. 120, and he is 127 something, right? It's down here. There is no pullback to 127. What am I doing? Need to start from the bottom. What do you mean I need to start from bottom? That's extension. You're not doing it like this. That's 0, and then, you know. He's in log scale. I'm in log scale. You need to change the fib. And using log scale fib. Oh, okay. Log scale fib. Oh, okay. I get it. Okay, so I need to change the fib to use the fib levels based on log scale. Okay. I get it. I'm done with the settings. Change fib setting. I'm done with the settings, guys. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's see if the this actually plays out a little better. Yeah, now we got settings, nice. But he has 1272 or something like that, so we gotta add that. 1, 2. What number was he using? 1272. Is that a fib number? 272. Sure, whatever. Okay, 1272. Okay, nice. There is 272. Nice. So we got a number 272. Very nice. Okay, I get it. Okay, let's continue doing this. Okay, so we from the top to the bottom over here, and yeah, sure, something is gonna hit some level, right? Something is gonna hit some level. Sure, I get it. Okay, so 1272 over there, very nicely. And right now, what's happening again? Right, based on, you know, the extension, is we are hitting the same level once more again, and we should actually continue towards the upside. So we want to. Okay, let's continue watching and see if I can learn something else.
It basically went up just like we're expecting now, a two-part bull run for Bitcoin. You can see it hit its head on the 1618, rolled back to support, which was 1272 before continuation. Okay, do you remember that? Exactly what it did there. Hit its head, rolled back, see you later.
1272 is 12, guys. If you can figure out if 1272 is actually fib level,
bull run just there.
it should be fib level. Wait, because we got 236, but not 272. Yeah. I'm not the greatest expert on fib levels, so you know,
again to the market cycle,
it's not my thing.
Just there to there.
Yeah, I don't have a crystal ball.
Yeah,
let's go a little bit because we watched this part.
You can see we've come down, bounced off it, and then continued down, but we've found support off the 1272. So far, so good. Bitcoin is doing exactly what it's done 3 times before. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the previous cycles. Do you see that? So yeah, this is why I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, and the fact is it's not painting any bear market signals to me at the moment. Now there is this death cross that everyone's talking about, so I'm going to go through that with you in a moment. But as you can see, if I bring up the extension just here, the 2.272 is where I expect Bitcoin to rally to in this bull run and continuation up to 200k. Do you see that? Because this is exactly what it did here. If I drop this extension in just there, you can see with this particular bull run of 2017, it got a little bit overextended, started to roll back into the bear market right there. But you can see it bounced off support of the 1272. Do you see that?
Bro, let's do our thing.
In this instance here, if I drop a 1272 in,
Damn, feels great to be bearish when you don't have any positions open.
Again, you can see that this is literally where Bitcoin ran into resistance and started to roll back down in that previous two-part bull run. Do you see that? So this is why I am anticipating this particular outcome for Bitcoin. I could be wrong, but at the minute the charts are...
So Charlie says 1272 is a square root of 2. 2 is not really a Fibonacci level, but it's doable a particular, but it's double a particular value 200%. Well, so basically right now we are using just whatever numbers.
Telling me a story and show me the charts and tell me the news, and I'm telling you that
Bitcoin, because I was under the impression like 236, 3825, 618, 78, those are like standard numbers.
Is bouncing off key levels of support and it's looking for
but he might have something here. Like if we bounce over there, like I go up to 200k, like
the fact that we've got this death cross and
CoinSkid might actually have something.
20k and 10k, but personally at the moment Bitcoin is adhering, isn't it? It's adhering to what its structure and what it's done before in the previous bull markets, and you can't ignore that fact.
Look up the FIB theory. I will.
The news is Bitcoin's bullish, and it's got a little bit overextended.
1272 is square root of 1618.
Exactly what it's got right now after 1272. Now, personally, obviously,
it's patent CoinSkid
people level of support, just like you did in this one. You wicked down below it, okay, but you found support primarily on the 1272. You didn't go back down to the previous cycle top. Okay, just like you did here, you got a couple of wicks down. You actually have multiple levels of support just there for continuation. And the same there, you had a little wick down for continuation just there. Let's have
168. This is the most significant Fibonacci level, and its right has been described above. However, it can also be calculated
so it's really as
one
right there.
divided by 0.618. Very orderly.
So 1272. Back there and
this is the square root of 168.
Give me a time machine, please. So yeah, you can see effectively like Bitcoin is just adhering to some pattern and structure at the moment.
272 might actually have some significance, and 1.4 and all these numbers.
Key levels of support here and do something here. Where we roll over and start to come down to 20k retest. This is be something that we've not actually done in a previous bull market cycle here for Bitcoin, and it would be a bit of an anomaly to be honest with you. But obviously, just because it's happened before doesn't mean it's going to happen again, and you do have that in mind. But this is why I'll always tell you what I see. I'll always tell you the story that I see. Okay, I'm not going to feed you no spiel. In my opinion, Bitcoin is going to break out of these levels of resistance. It's going to have an EMA retest, which I keep telling you about, and it's going to march onwards and upwards to 200k in this bull run, okay, in this two-part bull run, like we got here.
Need to jump some metal for this.
Come back, but I'm rambling on again. I do apologise, but yeah, this is why I'm still super bullish on Bitcoin getting to 200k in this bull market. Okay,
let me just see here on his chart.
So in this instance here, if I drop a 1272, just there for continuation. The same there.
So if you look at on the chart, right, this actually on 176. This level down up here, right, 0.780, almost hit it up there, right, and then the next level, that's the let's put up there 0.78, right up there, right, and you can see that this over here 0.78 right up here, right. So there is something to this, like this is the top, this is the bottom, then 0.78 hits it right over there, top, bottom, 0.78 hits it right over there, top, button, 0.78. It's early stages, but it hits it somewhere there. Can we use down here? Nah, I don't want to go that much back. And right now it's hit it right there. So it gets some kind of pullback over here at 127. Sure, it gets got pullback 127. That's nice. Pullback 127, pullback 127. But before the pullback, it went up to 116. Before the pullback, it didn't go up to 116 over here. There's an anomaly here, if you want to call it. Didn't go up to 116, and over here it went up to 116. So it went up to 116, it pulled back to 123, and right now what he's saying is we're gonna go all the way up to something like 200k up here, right? All the way up somewhere to like up there, like 200k, right? That's the logic in it, right? So 226. This one went all the way up to 2 something. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. By the top watching YouTubers, I didn't know how much being just 2 months in crypto, then dumped so later. I studied TEA, still not good. As you know, experience will hit me up, so just holding fiat. It happens, man. I think everybody the first time coming to the crypto just gets wrecked. Tila, your moon's prediction this your moon's predicted this drop. And we have an extension of the fib, maybe we hit your target. Yeah, maybe 500k. Without pump arrow, we're going to 0 though. Ryan, thanks for $1. Appreciate it. Yeah, we gotta put some arrows up here, man. To the top. Still down 7%. So how is this gonna play out, guys? How is this gonna play out? Wanna cook in? I don't want, perhaps. Let's watch the rest of the video.
Yeah, a little wick down. Bit of an anomaly, to be honest with you, but obviously just because it's happened before doesn't mean it's going to happen again, and you do have that in mind. But this is why I'll always tell you what I see. I'll always tell you the story 7-2, and it's on the daily time frame, so that it's a lagging indicator, so you do, and it's looking good. It's looking relatively good and strong. We've got to come down. We have to come down. You were too far into space. We've come back down, and we've held support. We've held a key level of support, not just some normal support. This is a key level of support. It's absolute rock bottom support, which tells me potentially we've bottomed. Okay, so do anticipate more. Okay, in it yet? Moving average. Actually look at this as a very similar scenario.
Very nice, Kid. All props to you for finding that. I don't know, you know, that's nice. That's nice. We might actually have some kind of support there. On the fibs, I'm not the greatest fib guy, as everybody knows, and I more rely on the moving averages, of course. And you know, 50 moving average, it's holding very nicely. But it was holding also here before we actually went down. But down here it was only the 20 moving average. Maybe the fib is thing, I just didn't get it yet. Maybe the fib is thing, guys. Maybe the fib is thing. So if we go up to 200,000, I'll reconsider doing fibs. I'll reconsider doing fibs, okay? But right now I'm not down there. Most part for me was indicators lag. You see that cross from crash 2 weeks ago and you sell, but it's rising. Why don't we bounce back close to all-time high after a big dump like in 2018? Depends. But Jay said 1350, something like that, right?
Now this is a really key indicator, because once you enter the Gaussian channel, then in my opinion,
somebody is talking about Gaussian channels. Yeah.
Gaussian channel.
I get it. If you're going 200, I donate for proper up arrow icon. Proper up arrow icon. Yeah, maybe that's maybe. Let's see how many. Let me see how many icons I can actually have on this crap. Or emojis. Let me see how many emojis I can have. So let's see over here. Membership. By the way, guys, we are 28 members in TEA Fans Club. Cheers for everybody. We can have 9 emojis, so we got 6 now, so I can make 3 more emojis. So that's gonna be full moon, a new moon, and maybe an up arrow. We'll see. Stop doubting yourself. You know, when somebody figure out something, like, you have to go back and think of, am I correct or not? Like, you always have to be self-critical, because if you're not self-critical, you don't make mistakes. So you always have to have this kind of, you know, feedback loop. You figure out something, you know, and then somebody says something against you. You cannot just disregard that. You gotta go back into yourself and then think, maybe he's got something. And that will like open you up to the possibilities. You know, let's say, that was nothing, or that was something. You know, so you kind of learn. So, you know, being self-critical can be, you know, too much of being self-critical is not actually good, but, you know, understanding that you can accept others' opinions is actually a good thing. Minus 7.9%, so we are dumping a little bit, guys. We are dumping a little bit. So this 4 hourly doesn't want to stop dumping. The hidden bullish divergence don't want to stop. We are all learning, otherwise we are stupid. Big up TLA. Sir, any good news? I don't know, ask Elon. I don't have any good news right now, man. It's just going down. But the good news is that we are getting an extension. And maybe. Oh, look at that. Green on the 4 hourly. Ron Adopter. Thanks for being you. Cheers, man. Cheers. I hope you make a lot of money and then come, come back to my YouTube and, hang around. Just hold best option. 20k, like everyone has been saying for months. You know what bothers me about that? Like when people can be saying over here, like, oh, it's gonna go down to, people up here can be saying like, oh, it can go down to 20,000. Sure, it can go down to 20,000, but they don't say when. That's the problem. It can go down to 20,000. 20,000. This line down here, right? This is the 20,000 line. Okay, right. So they're saying, oh, it's gonna go to 20. It's gonna go 20,000. It's gonna go 20,000. It's gonna go 20. No, it's gonna go 20,000. It's gonna go 20,000. It's gonna go to 20,000. Whatever. It's gonna go 20,000. It's gonna go 20,000. Like you see, I told you, it's gonna go 20,000. When it's gonna go to 20,000, that's the important thing, not if, and if it's gonna go to back to 20,000, because I could just say like it's gonna go to 200, it's gonna go to 500 because the target is 500, like it's gonna go up here, it's gonna go up to 500, it's gonna go up to 500, right? I can keep on saying that. The target is, it's gonna go up to 500, it's gonna go up to 500, it's gonna go up to 500, man, it's gonna go up to 500, it's gonna, told you so. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. You gotta give me a time frame. You gotta give me a time frame when it's gonna hit the 20,000 or when it's gonna hit the, certain targets. Just saying that something is gonna hit some number in the future, it doesn't help. When it's gonna hit it, that's the important part. You have to also factor in that the move BTC by 100 is approximately 21 billion injection into it. That's a lot. I hope it goes 28 next month so I can take some money to invest. You can say the same for the CK. Every day BTC 200 video. A lot more difficult to call levels and dates. No, but CK is actually saying that end of the bull market is 200k. 200k by the end of this month. But yeah, and, with YouTubers it's a little different because YouTubers have to be a little bit more bullish than the rest of the population, because they're influencers, they're moving the market, so we cannot be bearish, definitely. For me personally, coincidence don't have space to think different. Crypto since mid-February has been like getting repeatedly kicked in the nuts with a steal the boot. Unbearable. That's probably because you are invested and you haven't sold. Probably. That wasn't that. This was it. Some or the other day it's gonna go 18k, no matter if it goes 300, but the gap at 18k needs to be filled. There's a gap at 9k, man. There's a gap at 9k. I've been telling you guys about 9k gap. That actually messed me up real. There's a gap at 9k. Are you saying we're gonna go down to 9k? Also have no real value. A dev. Oh, Wookie want a cookie. You're the dev. That's a moderator in the chat. How you doing, man? What if bear market never happens, only big corrections? Well, big corrections are bear markets. Like small corrections are small bear markets. What do you call it? Downtrend, bear market, correction, sliding slope. I don't know. It's downwards. Don't say Nike. But seriously, there is. You see here, I've been explaining to people this. See here, 9.7k. There is. See, there is gap. 9.7k. So if you want to close the gaps, you have to close this one over here. You're gonna witness the burst up on stream. Why? Burst up. Oh, it burst up on stream. Oh, you mean it's gonna go up? It's gonna. Wait. Don't let that do that. 6.6. You think it's gonna happen? You think it's gonna happen? we are extended to the downside. Like we can pump to the upside. If I can just zoom quite fast. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna watch 5-minute chart now. Oh, okay, let's look it up here. Let's pop the moving averages, right? Oh, that's nice, that's nice. But we still got no divergence, guys. Nothing, we got nothing. But it is above 20 moving average. But you know, the 50 moving average on 5-minute chart. We can, if we get above the 50 moving average on 5-hour chart, like we can be a little bit bullish. Hotline accumulated bear market or sell on the final push. Shopped the bear market. Yeah, all the big guys shopped the heck out of the bear market. It just stuffed. I entered 35,555. Nice number, man. 35,555. It is extended on the downside, so it might actually, you know, retrace a little bit. You know, if this, now the 4-hourly candle, this green candle is still 3 hours and 53 minutes left. You know, we won't have the stream until the day, daily close or something like that. But important thing to notice, guys, important thing to notice, if this holds this level up here, if we hold this level, this is gonna give us hidden bullish divergence on the RSI, right? Price is going, let me zoom in a little bit over here. Price is going up over here and the RSI is going down, right? Hidden bullish divergence. So if this level holds, it's actually bullish. Like, not actually bullish, but you know, the 4-hourly is bullish, and 4-hourly can pick us up like somewhere to like 38,000 back up here or something like that, you know. That might actually happen. Down to zero, Elma. We're going to 10k, then moon. Have about 20k with an average of 38k. Not even worried of this blip. I wished for a dump when it was 65. Guess what I did when it dumped? I bought. John, you should probably join the likes of Michael Saylor, man. He is also the guy that actually buy. Also, there's this chick. It's nearing 2 a.m. TLA, and might sleeping. Good night. Good night, man. I don't know if you shorted or not, you know. Have a nice evening. Thanks for stopping by, man. Thanks for stopping by. Let's, you know, there is this YouTuber, you know, she is really reasonable. She's called Crypto Tips, you know. I don't know how much, but she is this girl, and she was actually buying when everybody was selling, right? And I remember really well in the bear market, well, technically bear market, like bear market, schmear market, down here, right? When it went down, she was making videos. Oh, I just bought even more, right? And we started going up and it went down, and she was like, oh, I bought even more. I bought more. This is very nice dips. All of these dips, she bought all of the dips, guys. All of the dips. And I swear to you, she bought even all of these dips are down here. All of the dips she is buying. She's buying all of the dips. And she's the only one that actually doing in DCA correctly, like, you know. Ron, 25 bucks. Oh, thanks. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So, you know, go check it out, guys. If you wanna DCI the correct way, you know, she knows what she's doing. Wait a minute, we already have that fall to 1272 in the end of January. I mean, in all the old cycles it happened only one time. Why would it hold 2 times? But yeah, man, that's nice. That's nice. You got it. You got it. Maybe. Yeah, man, you got it. Okay, so what? See, that's nice. That's nice. It's a nice that you noticed. So Karar Haider says, wait a minute, we already had that fall to 127 in the end of January. So what's he saying? Let me remove this a little bit, guys. Let me remove this a little bit. Let me zoom a little bit like this. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Let me do it like this so everybody can see this. Okay, it's gonna be nice. Okay, so what Karar Haider says, wait a minute, we already had that 127. This is 127 drop in the end of January. See here, we already had the drop 127 end of January. I mean, in all the old cycles it happened only one time. Why would it hold 2 times? by the 127 this time. So he's saying that we already had the move to the, you know, down, and we went up to 168. So this is the second time. All the previous times, we only had the move once back, right? So he's saying that this move to the downside, right? The 127, only one hit, right? And this move down here, this actually had 2 hits then. Okay, this is technically 1 hit because these are just wicks, right? Are we gonna be specific? Hits it 2 times, hits it 1 time, but even here, like, is it wicks or not? Like, it depends. But thing is, it did not break. It did not go below 1272. It did not go below 1272. You know, so there might be something like that. Yeah, but you know, these things, especially people like Benjamin Cohen and you know, people are doing the, you know, analysis on the long-term charts, like predictive moves, long-term flips and stuff like that. They might get it right, they might get it wrong, but you know, it's not interesting for me. It's really not interesting to know what's gonna happen, like right now into it. Like, I just want to know, like, if you are bullish or bearish right now. Bullish or bearish. 63, let's see 4-hourly chart. Getting there, not, yeah, 5 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. Oh, it's climbing, guys. 5 minutes is climbing. My Matic was up 20%. Why I didn't take profits? Because, you know, greed. The big pattern on the daily, 3-day weekly. You don't gotta be TA to see it. Jeez. My worst day in crypto by far. Harry Simmons, it happens. Immortal, surefire way to not fall into market is to already be in it. So much trail selling over 20%. There's something about that. As well. $4K down. You'll recover, man. It's fine. $250 from Ronda. Man, I want to know your trades. I'm really feeling it. Not today, let's be clear, but until October, I think we are done in a positive way. If not, this is it. I take my chance. I'm a long line friend with the adrenaline. Ron, thanks a bunch. I appreciate that. I can see that you are really hyped. I see that you like this. So, you know, the good thing, I'm telling you all the good positive things about the chart right now. Okay. If we close above this level up here, it might actually be, you know, it doesn't have to be doom and gloom. You know, next day you can still continue going down, but as long as we close above this level, you know, you still have low, higher, low, you know, that's one thing, right? We are below 10 and 20 moving average, so that's actually bearish. But if you can get a big engulfing candle again, like just like over here, we went down and then big candle to the upside, like it can happen. Down and big candle upside above the moving averages again, you know, that might actually be very, very bullish. So it's not over yet. I'm gonna still give it like at least a couple of days and see how this is actually responding. But you know, we should probably go higher after this. And you know, this was some kind of high, this is higher high, you know, that's also bullish, this is bullish. So it's some kind of a option, you know. People are saying that this is actually some kind of is this a wedge? It's too big for a BM wedge. So that's also that, right? On the weeklies, we still above the 50 moving average, going down a little bit here. That's nothing. But on the monthly, you know, we can still be above. What's that? 34,100. If we close a monthly above 34, technically you're still above the 10 moving average. Kaipe, $5. I don't know if anyone answered your question regarding Coinsky Fibonacci, but you have to switch the log scale to have key levels look correct. Yeah, that's right, man. That's right. People did mention it, but thanks for bucks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for the bucks. Kaipe. Show them the secret moon TA. I don't know, man. That's strong stuff. That's bigger than Fibonacci. That's strong stuff. Okay, but guys, which day is the full moon? Which day is the full moon? We gotta figure out. Next full moon, June 24, guys. June 24, 2021 is when Bitcoin goes from being bearish to goes bullish. Listen to the music, guys. Listen to the music. Okay? June 24th, 2021. Why? I'll show you. I'll show you. And I'm gonna make believers out of all of you. Look at these, guys. Moon phases. Our secret indicator here on this stream. Predicting the tops and bottoms like a god. The indicator of billionaires, not millionaires, billionaires. There are a lot of millionaires here in Bitcoin and crypto, but very few billionaires. And billionaires use moon phases. Look at this. Bam! Look at this, guys. This is the most epic thing ever. You know it's right. You know it's going. You can feel it. And you know what's gonna happen. You know what's gonna happen. We know on this channel. We know what's gonna happen. Now you know what's gonna happen. Right now on 24th June, like the prophecy had predicted, June 24, 2021, where we get the next full moon, the beast is gonna awake and is gonna lift us to the moon. Best indicator ever, guys. One minute chart is saying Lambo. Yeah, probably. Sold. Kaipei, Ethereum has a $1.5 billion options expiring on June 25th, the day after the full moon. Google it. I wonder what impact this will have on Ethereum. Is that true? I actually, guys, I don't know how the options things actually work in the expiration of the option stuff, because people are talking about a lot about options, but you know, I haven't seen the big effects of the options expiring. Ethereum options expiry date. It's upcoming. I think your brain breaks on this. I got it around 42, bought all the way down 32, can then stop 30. Someone I got scared, we didn't have much 30. I'm down 15%, but so happy though, cause I'm gonna buy the dip much longer. A dot put on VMC Cypher B on 4 chart. I don't know what Cypher B is, VMC Cypher B. June 24, Bitcoin 100k, yes man. The largest into what could happen. This could this be a make or break month for future of Ethereum? This is from Monday, yeah, 4 days ago. Ether is set to face the largest options expiry day so far in 2021 in what a Cointelegraph report has called a make or break moment for ETH markets. More than 1.5 billion worth of open interest in ETH will be settled on June 25th. Day after the full moon, guys, day after the full moon. And Michael Alcon finally managed to join the chat. We have been going like 1 hour and 8 minutes without Michael. Like, you know, people, you know, we could have scammers in the chat. You know, you gotta do your job, man. You gotta do your job. The upcoming expiry is 30% larger than the one that took place on March 26th. So there was a one on March 26th. So we can go back to March 26th and see what happened, which coincided with a 70% plunge in the price of Ether over 5 days, bottoming out at once. So last time we had a closing on options in Ethereum on March 26th. You know, Ethereum plunged 70% down. June 24, my payday at work, yay. So, Kaipei, are you saying we're gonna go up or down, or you're just saying something's gonna happen? Because last time Ethereum obviously plunged down 70% after 26th. So let's go to Ethereum and remove these nice. Oh, we broke the downside. Look at this, guys. Look at my meme lines. Look at my meme lines. So we didn't want to break this level. We broke that level. We're going down, guys. Oh, that's bad for Ethereum. That's bad. Like, look at this over here, breaking the downside. So 26. Let's go to. Let's remove everything up here. Let's go to 26th. March. Where's March? April. (24 March or 26 March? What did it say? Wait, guys, this cannot be it. The upcoming March that took place on March 26, we got a 70% plunge in price of Ether over 5 days. March 26. Am I crazy? Because March 26, after that we pumped to the upside, guys. This is March 26, we pumped to the upside. What am I missing here? Is it... This is 2021, right? 2021, right? The upcoming 30% larger than the one that took place on March 26, we coincided with 7% plunge. Plunge means down, right? You're missing the last sentence. Price of 5 bottoming out at 1,550. However, the following the March expiry, the price of Ether rallied near 60. Oh, okay, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. $15.50. Okay. $15.50. Bottom out $50.50. Oh, so it, you know, before that it plunged over 5 days, 70% down, right before the start, before the yeah, and then rallied to the upside, right? Okay, I get it. So basically, however, following the March expiry, the price of Ether rallied 60% within 3 weeks. Now, analysts are wondering whether Ether next move could follow a similar trajectory. What's next? The expiry in June holds more than 638,000 Ether contracts, equivalent to roughly 45% Ether's total 3.4 billion in open interest. Options are divided in two segments: call options, which allow ETH buyers to acquire tokens at a fixed price on the expiry date, and put options, which allow ETH holders to sell their tokens on the expiry date. According to Cointelegraph, there is a disproportionate amount of call options at or and above 2002. Therefore, if Ether's price on June 25th is below this level, then 73% of the neutral to bullish options will be worthless. In contrast, most of the protective put options have put open at or below 2001. As a result of this, 74% of these options will become worthless if the price stays above this level. At the press time, the price of ETH was hovering around 2005. It is unclear where the price will head over the next several weeks. However, if this expiry is anything like the expiry in March, the ETH price could be headed for a bit of a roller coaster ride. On March 11, the ETH mining community organized a show of force against EIP. Okay, whatever. So I don't get to the options. You know, the puts and the calls. You know. Call options are at or above 2020, and the put options are around 210. You know, so 210 is you know, 210. Let's put 210. That's 100. This one up here, 2. Wow. I mean, it's really close then, guys. So these two numbers, right? 5-minute chart I put on Dodge Song and some arrows. Is Bitcoin up above the 5-minute chart, guys? Is Bitcoin up above the 5-minute chart? Let's see the 50 moving average. No, we are not above the 50 moving average. When we get above the 50 moving average, we're gonna pop the music, guys. Okay? I talked to Bogdanovs, bull market now to Jupiter. See, I can do it again. My voodoo works. So worried about XRP. I bought at 0.47. Should I sell all or wait for till December? Man, we cannot help you with the buy and sells, man. We cannot help you with buy and sells. But this music is also nice. So I'm really interested about these options, guys. I'm really interested about these options. I'm gonna look more into options, guys. How this might affect the price. You know, which you know, which level? Because right now, you know, it is above 22. You know, 22. But you know, they expire on 25th, so it's like still 1 week left. Ron adopter, 25 bucks. He's having a party. What are you drinking, man? What are you drinking? You sell everything. We're going to zero. If you get over 15 MA, it means I can go to bed and stop staring at the effing charts. There is 15 MA. The loner is rich. Ron is on fire. Ron is the way. Ron has his own emoji, man. So you can just like Ron. See? It's a whale emoji. Biggest donator to the channel gets their own emojis. It is even dollars, Ron. Is it dollars? No, it's actually wrong. It's yours emoji. No, it's yours. From Super Chat. Wine. Are you drinking wine? No wonder you are super hyped, man. No wonder you're super hyped. Finally, Bull Run Part 2 started. You think? I don't know. We didn't manage to get above that 50 moving average, guys. We didn't manage to get above the 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart. Still got a little while to go. A little while to go. You know, it might happen, Let me see here on the 4-hourly. You know, I'm hoping this actually gonna hold. If this holds, I think this might actually be. Now here, I'm gonna, you know, we're gonna, you know, wrap it up pretty soon. But I just wanna say this, okay? Whether this is gonna continue going higher or what's gonna happen. We still got 3 hours and 32 minutes left of the 4-hourly close down here, right? Right now we're getting this green candle. If this green candle holds, and we get a red candle, green candle, then this divergence that's happening over here right now, this divergence, I'll show you. This divergence that's happening right now over here, right? There's a divergence. Let me show you over here. You know, the price is going up, the RSI is going down. So this divergence that's happening right now, if this holds, this divergence holds, if you can get close this red can, green can, if you don't fall below this level, you know, without stop like 34,006, if you just continue going down like and close down here, like all bets are off. But if you do bottom right now over here and start having green candle and green candle, at least 2 green candles. Green candle and the next candle doesn't, you know, cannot be red candle. If it's red candle, it has to continue going up, right? You should probably have 2 green candles up here, right? At least 2 green candles. So once you get past this, if this actually holds, we're gonna have hidden bullish divergence, guys. And if you have hidden bullish divergence, the probability is big that we are gonna go like to some moving averages up here. And you know, I'm not saying that we're gonna go to the moon, but we're gonna go hit some of these moving averages up here. Whether that's gonna be 20 moving average or 50, it doesn't matter. But some averages will move, and then comes the, you know, a break it or make it moment. Either we break above the moving averages or get rejected and go down. If we get rejected, we're gonna hit back on this line again over here. And probably we're gonna break it because this is creating some kind of, you know, 4-hourly, you know, head and shoulders, sorry, cup and inverse cup and handles pattern, and that might actually break on the downside, okay? But the good thing is that we are right now maybe creating hidden bullish divergence to the upside, you know, that can actually hold. But there's still 3 hours and 30 minutes left, so nothing is actually given right now. And this has a big probability to actually just continue dumping more down. So I won't actually start celebrating too early. I just want to see how this actually plays out. But it's nice thing to know. It's nice thing to know. Let's see here. Now that said, also like on the 4-hourly, we want to keep on the 4-hour. Sorry, this is daily. On the daily, you want to keep above this line up here. If we close below this line down here, it can be quite bad. It can be quite bad. Best case scenario, doesn't matter how far down we go. Best case scenario is having a green candle going all the way up above the 10 moving average. That's the best case scenario tomorrow. That said, we got new member Giga Geralt. Welcome to the chat, man. I appreciate the welcome to TF Fans Club. Now you got the green name and you can post the emojis. JP, $100. Now I'm the second like contributor to the channel. Ron wins. If Ron is Bitcoin, then I'm Ethereum. I'm okay taking the second place. Lol. Love the stream, man. You make me bearish. You make the bearish time bearable. Pump dump TLA. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Welcome to the whale club. Welcome to the whale club. I appreciate it. You guys are great. Giga, we got new members. Giga, very nice. My goal for this YouTube channel is when I'm doing a live stream, I only see green names in the entire chat. TA Fans Club all over again. JP, you're actually number one because yours is in US currency. Oh, dog, dude. Yeah, but he only donated once. Like Ron, he has been donating like forever. Ron has been donating some big bucks, guys. Big bucks. Pump, TLA. USD for the win. 100 is like 200 times Ron's 100 rup. No, actually, you know, Ron USD. See, $100 is 450 in Roman. Yeah, and Ron has been donating like about 500 and 250, and I don't know how much he donated today, but he donated quite much. Like 250, it's almost 100. Ron gives thousands of Ron. Yeah, $100 is 420 Ron. Yeah. So Ron is still the biggest whale in the house. Ron still is the biggest whale in the house, but JP is taking a very nice second place. Thanks for the bucks, man. I appreciate the money. I appreciate the money. Appreciate the money. Expert Crypto is the only YouTuber who teaches leverage trading live. Expert Crypto teaches leverage trading live. Yeah. Leverage trading, nice. Bitcoin is going to be boring for the next months. White wine. Oh, I like white wine, man. I don't like red wine, but white wine I can drink a lot, especially a little sweet white wine. Oh, that's my thing, man. Cold, sweet white wine. I can drink cold, sweet wine, white wine, man. I'm not a big drinker. I don't drink many stuff. I drink cheap beer and sweet, not very sweet, but like light sweet white wine. Like that's okay. Everything else is like, you know, down we go. Not yet. Let's see 5-minute chart. Still not above this 50 moving average, but we are getting retest on 10 and 20, so you know, maybe we pump up. It goes good with the shrimps. Actually, I don't have anything to drink. I forgot even to pick up a water before the stream, guys. I even forgot to pick up the water. Is 30,000 the bottom? You know, it might be. You know, this might also be some kind of shaker. You can see here, guys. You can see here. You know, we already did this move once over here, right down and right back up. You know, you remember how bullish I was on this candle over here. You remember the bullishness. You remember the feeling. You remember that legendary stream. That's how bullish was this candle over here. Really nice candle, really bullish candle. Like it's like, you know, and it continued pumping. Like, okay, continued pumping for technically for one more day. Went all the way up to 41,000 and stopped. This bearish cross coming in, like, you know, right now this looks bad, but you know, as long as we keep above this level and we can continue still tomorrow up above the moving averages, you know, the moon phase stream. Yeah, the moon phase stream. Not giving these people my hard-earned cash. Got some wine from Mosel Wally. Really nice semi-sweet wine. Oh yeah, Mosel Riesling. Hello from Greece, my Viking friend. Hello, man. Hello, Chris. How you doing? Xavier, I don't own a Lambo. Soon. You have to say, I don't own a Lambo yet. IQ and you. So, I don't know, guys. JP, $5. If you take my donations and you buy Bitcoin with it, then my 100 will be worth exponentially more, but you have to hold it until 2035. You know, everything that's left from the iPhone that, you know, wife is getting very soon is going into the, you know, it's recycled back into the crypto. You don't need to donate, but like the video to show some love. Thank you, Michael. Thank you for that. Guys, like the video. And don't listen to Michael. Donations are nice. It's okay. No, liking the video is fine. Liking this video. Sell Lambo for more BTC. Yeah, it wasn't. Didn't MM Crypto do that? He sold his Lambo to buy more Bitcoin. He sold his Lambo to buy more Bitcoin, right? Where is it? Where is it? 3 weeks. I don't know. I'm a huge, life-changing. The final countdown. I have a crazy. Be ready. There. I'm selling my Lamborghini to buy Bitcoin. To buy
for the Bitcoin price.
I'm selling my Lamborghini to buy more Bitcoin right now. Here is why. Did you see that, guys? Sorry, what have I missed? Was the BTC dropped? Why has BTC dropped 6%? Nismo. I don't know, man. You buy Lambo, you back at zero. You probably can't afford insurance at other cost. That's like clickbait. Lambos are actually not that expensive. I mean, yes, they are more expensive than a normal car, but they are not really expensive, like a really expensive car, you know, supercars. Lambo is expensive, and there is a like cheap Lambo and expensive Lambo, but Lambos are not like expensive as some other supercars, guys. Mark Cuban sold, haha. First, get a Lambo to sell, to buy BTC. Depreciating asset. I don't know, man. The sports car can actually be, you know, appreciating in value, like going up in value, especially if you buy a very nice car that doesn't have a lot of, like, if you build like 1,000 of certain Lambo, it doesn't depreciate in value, it actually goes up in value because it's a rarity right now, right? So, and if you hold it for a long time and you take care of it, you know, it goes up in value. Now, if you buy a car there is not 10 million of, you know, and nobody is actually looking at something special, then it's gonna depreciate in value, yes. Some Lambos are in me, yeah, some Lambos, but you know, but people are generally talking like in general terms, a Lambo. And Lambo is, you know, they can be cheap. Screw Bitcoin, guys, let's jump in on AMC together and then throw our 10Ds into Bitcoin when BT shows it can do something. Yeah, that's something to do, like if you can afford like going forward and back, like this dude makes massive options, would make the price drop. Ron, 500 bucks. I don't need supercar, I need some onions and some chess and I'm okay. Nice, man, 500 bucks. Now that's 100 bucks, $100, guys. That's $100. By the way, that's more than $100, you know. Ron is just showing, marking his territory, showing who's the big boss, who's the whale in here. By the way, Ron, what rank are you on leeches? Or not on leeches, but what rank are you in chess? How would something starting off rise in price? Then it would technically go negative with the option based off your opinion. When something is, you know, whales have all the money. Never said zero, but with mass adoption, the price could stay above 1K. Yeah, look at these green names, guys. Look at the green name. Look at the TF Fans Club. Bull run into 2022. Need to know if it start filling my cup or sardines. If not, Ronald, that's my guy. Yeah. Pico Hersa, but I'm scared for your credit card. I'm Batman. 1975. I just reached like 1560 or something like that. That's my record. So we need to play chess one day and drink some wine, Ron. We're gonna do that. You can just buy Crystal Ball and then you can quit the game. Yeah, just go. We can ask CoinSkid for Crystal Ball. The 5-minute chart failed the 50 moving average. Right now going down, guys. We are going for more dump incoming. Get ready. More dump incoming. We have Dodge's Daddy. It's a really good pump song, but we have no dump song. If somebody got good suggestions for a dump song that I can like use, that isn't gonna give me a copyright claim, you know. I'm selling me Kia to buy SHIB. The absolutely perfect head and shoulders formation is bad sign for bulls long term. Down, down, down. Dump, dump, dump. KGO says dump, dump, dump. AMC apes rise up. Ooga booga. Let's go, guys. Come on. The bull crypto market is over, but we can come back when it's time. Set stop losses. Let's get money elsewhere. Meanwhile, the problem is like you have to take the money from the crypto exchange back to the like stock exchange and then back to the crypto. It's just all so tiresome, man. You just saw like buy the dip song. Buy the dip song. Meet Kevin. Is the song called Meet Kevin? Ron, buy 100 Bitcoin so we get about yeah, Ron, start buying, man. You gotta pump the price. Selling me charges get back to buy Aromatic seriously. Yeah, if it's adopted as currency, the price would drop very significantly. A currency can function at such high prices. Adoption of Bitcoin doesn't mean it's gonna be adopted as currency at first. I think it's just gonna be adopted as a store of value and exchange for currency. And I think they might even pin it at some value over a certain time. We will support you on OnlyFans. OnlyFans is coming, guys. OnlyFans is coming. If it doesn't pump, there is no alt season. ET just dropped. Seems the whole market hit the stocks as well. Let's check the stocks, guys. Let's see what stocks are up to, because last time we checked the stocks 1.858. This, let's see this 5-minute chart. Let's see 4-hourly chart. Oh, that's a big drop, like 4.8. Yeah, this is not. This doesn't look nice. I don't care what you look at. I mean, sure, if you get some kind of relief over here and you get some kind of, you know, can bounce up, but on 4-hourly it doesn't look nice. But you know, number case. But this is daily. This is the daily, and it keeps dropping down to 200 moving average right now. The Dow Jones, maybe it started. Guys, do you think it started? Tila, have you noticed the hand and shoulders pattern on the daily chart? Daily chart. Christos Chris. Head and shoulders pattern on the daily chart. Inverse head and shoulders, or the big head and shoulders that everybody's talking about. You know, because I've noticed the head and shoulders pattern, but you know, it's a complex pattern. Are you talking about this head and shoulders pattern over here, right? The big one. This one. Yes, please worry about MC. The dollar is rising fast. It's going to drop. USD got stronger on the hourly chart for BTC Euro. The 200 MA was below the price, but the BTC USD is above the price. Are EMAs reliable? Are you Slavic? Yes, I am. Can I send you free music if a friend is doing it? No, like I can find a lot of copyright music and stuff like that, like, but it's hard to find that one song that fits, you know, because I got a lot of music, you know. Mega Hand and Shoulders request to TF Fans Club in 4 hours and 1 hour. Michael Alcon, I have no clue what you are saying, but the head and shoulders pattern over here, I don't think this is actually a decent head and shoulder. Like, people have been calling this head and shoulders pattern a complex head and shoulders pattern, sure. Can you call this head and shoulders pattern? Technically, maybe head and shoulders in 4 hours and 1 hour. Michael, are you sure? I'm not quite sure you know your TA, Michael. Michael, I'm not sure you know your TA. On 4 hour, there was an inverse head and shoulders. Right, so you know, it might be playing out. Maybe, okay, maybe Michael knows his TA. I don't know, guys. Maybe Michael knows his TA. You know, people have been looking at this one. This one didn't play out. Right, so we are looking at this one right now. So, you know, we are taking the hopium, maybe something like this. The top is weird because of the manipulation. You think? Sorry I'm late going down, but we're still super bullish, right? I haven't figured out if I'm super bullish or not. I'm gonna figure it out. I need to hear from CoinSkid if we are super bullish, and when CoinSkid says we are super bullish, I'm gonna come back on the train. So yeah, that is 4 hourly inverse head and shoulders. That it's for me, but we still need like a big move to the upside. Like if this move over here happens, I'm gonna be the most bullish thing ever. I'm gonna be like, if we fall below this level down here tonight, like that's not gonna be good. But if we close above this level up here, that's gonna be super good. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. That said, let's see the 5-minute chart, because we've been following the 5-minute chart and following the dump down here. Let's see. It looks like you want to go down, guys. It looks like you want to go down. So we are watching for this level down here. There are 2 levels here to watch on the 5-minute chart that are equally important. So, you know, if it starts falling down here, it might actually continue falling down here and then, you know, fall a little lower. But it's a good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing. If it starts falling down, it's a good thing because, you know, it will catch down at bottom, you know, it's gonna go up. I'm a music teacher, can write you a song if you like. Ralph, if you write me some dumb pitch song, like real dumb pitch song, you know, I'm gonna use it. Like, but it has to be like, emotional. It has to be like exciting. It has to be like, don't. Like, it has to be something that, you know, if you heard Dodge Daddy song, it's very exciting, very uplifting. I need something that's like, that's like crushing your soul to the downside. So, you know, it's really hard to keep the optimism right now and say that this is the bottom when it's right now breaking into the downside. So, you know, there's probably some kind of analysis that you can be doing on this right now. But you see here, there was this very nice trend line over here that we broke to the upside and went continued down, and right now we're breaking back below it again. Not a good sign, but we'll see, we'll see.
I still remember how it used to be, holding hands, running wild and free. Crossed our heart.
Debuting right on point. I love how we can all connect through TLA. That's great, guys. I know that the TA fans can connect because, you know, green name club, green name crew. Thank you, thank you. I can set up my buys. 229 debuting. Could you check era? Is the chart any different? Sure, man. We can check era because I haven't done, you know, lately anything on. Wow, now this is depressing music. This is dump music. Right now, I'm breaking this 100 moving average that we've been talking that I don't want it to break. I mean, broke, but you can always get above it again. There's still 3 hours and 8 minutes left. That's the most actually important part for Radar right now, to not break this level. But it is, let's see how it's doing on a 4-hourly time frame. Yeah, it did break it on the downside over here. Yeah, it doesn't actually look good because we made a lower low. This is low, this is lower low again. So, you know, we might get some kind of pullback and then continue going down again because of these moving averages that are pushing it right now. So all the right now the moving averages are actually pushing in between the very important support. You can see here we haven't been below. Sorry. It's only, you gotta go back to like November 2020 before the bull run started to find us below the 100 moving average. This is the 100 moving average. That's the line we are dropping through right below now. But you know, we can always climb back up. We can always climb back up up here above the moving average. So we'll see what's gonna happen up there. But it doesn't give off like the vibe that it is actually very bullish right now. It doesn't give off the vibe that it's very bullish. But 4 hourly did hit some kind of 28, so it might actually get some kind of bump to the upside. And then we're gonna see if it's, you know, it's gonna break the on the upside, or you know, it's gonna go down. Did you grow up in a wealthy family? Unfortunately, no. But I had a great childhood. Well, I had an okay childhood. Whitney, yeah, Birgit likes Whitney. For all my play out, but the daily time frame is meh. Yeah, okay. I don't know. You know, the daily is gonna mess us up really nice, guys. The daily, I'm just gonna no, we're gonna come back to this. The daily is gonna mess us really much. I mean, we are trying to stay above certain levels up here. You know, we wanna stay above you know, 35,564. We wanna stay above this level up here, right? 565. Yeah, we wanna stay above this level. Now, if we don't do that, like that's gonna be. But if you do that, like there's probability, you know, to do the same thing that we did before. Red candle and then a big green candle. So you know, nothing's actually over yet. You know, it can happen. When will you take long in BTC? When I feel that we are going up to like 200,000, like big long. Is bear market up on us? We are not bear yet. I think we will bounce. Maybe we'll bounce. We'll see what's going to happen. Of course, I want to go down. It wants to finish the pattern. I think people vision it clouded. You're good to know. Well, guys, this music is actually killing it for me, the mood, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Thanks for joining. By the way, before we actually finish, of course, before we actually finish, we need to do this. We have to give the good vibes to Bitcoin because, you know, reasons, you know, some very nice lines to the upside, right? There we go. Very artistic. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for chatting away. Thanks for the donations. Thanks for all the green names. Thanks for all the members that joined TA Fans Club today. You know, I will keep you updated on what's happening. I'll keep you updated on what's happening. And now, to end this all with a little bit better mood than we, you know, started with right now, we're gonna do the one thing that actually can help us a little bit to the upside. Anyways, guys, it was fun. Sasha, thanks. You're welcome. Guys, enjoy. Tomorrow, 9:30 Central European Time on the dollar. Every single day we do Bitcoin daily tech analysis. So do join that. Do join that. Enjoy the music, guys.
Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
That's it, guys. Thanks again. See you around. Bye bye.